So we started with the cone, right? So today in today's class, we will try to see the equation of the cone whose vertex is given. So vertex is any general point. We know vertex is what, right? Vertex of a cone is the point of intersection of the so vertex of a cone is what? It is the point of intersection of the generator and the axis. And we know there is one more property. So whatever we have done so far, we have tried to generate the equation of the cone with the help of generator and its axis. So now we know there is one more property of the cone, that if you have any generator of the cone, so basically that generator will meet the guiding curve. So now in this article, we will try to look out for the equation of the cone using the generator and the guiding curve. So if you see, say suppose we are given an cone. So we are given a cone. We are given we are given the vertex of the cone. Say the vertex of the cone is alpha, beta, gamma, and we are given the equation of the guiding curve. So this is the equation of the guiding curve, right? So we have the cone. So this is the guiding curve. So as I discussed, this guiding curve is say in xy plane. So its equation will be in terms of x and y only. So either z will be 0 or z will be constant. Now what we have to find? We have to find the equation of the cone, right, with vertex at the alpha, beta, gamma. So obviously what we have to find? We have to find the locus of any point on this curve. Say I take x, y, z, the point on the generator. तो हमें पता है equation of generator क्या हो जाएगी? It passes through the point alpha, beta, gamma. So x minus alpha, y minus beta, z minus gamma over what? Over LMN. Say LMN are the direction ratios of the generator. Right. Now we want this generator to intersect this curve. So for this curve, z is 0. So either z will be 0 or in some of the cases z may be constant also. So जो भी z की value है, we will put. So here z is equal to 0. हमने z की जगह 0 put कर दिया. So what we get from here? What is the value of x? X is minus L gamma n plus alpha. Similarly, यहाँ से y की value मिल गई. So obviously this generator intersects the given conic. So ये जो point x और y के हैं, ये इसकी equation को satisfy करेंगे. So हमने a x square plus 2h x y plus b y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So हमने क्या किया? Points के coordinates equation में put कर दिए. So now if you see, everything is fine. हमें equation मिल गई है. Alpha, I mean, we have just found the equation, but the problem here is this L and M are coming. L, M, N. जो direction ratios थे वो हमने खुद से लिखे थे. They were not given to me. So I don't need these. So what I'll do, we will try to eliminate these L by N, right, from this equation, from this main equation. So if you see from the main equation, what is the value of L by N? So L by N is, so L on this side, so L by N is x minus alpha over z minus gamma. Similarly, M by N is y minus beta over z minus gamma. And similarly, we have these two values now, L by N, M by N. So we will put these values everywhere, right? So what will happen? We will get this required equation. So we can just simplify this equation. So this z minus gamma this side, z minus gamma this side, LCM liya. So finally, this is the required equation of the cone, right? So obviously we don't need to remember this equation. We should know the procedure. So basically, हमें vertex given है. We can take any point on the generator. We can write the equation of the line with the direction ratios. Now we know this line intersects the guiding curve. तो हम सिर्फ line के ऊपर से general point निकाल के guiding curve में put कर देंगे. So that will be the equation, and just उस equation को हम simplify कर देंगे और जो unknowns हमने अपने आप से assume करे हैं, हम उनको eliminate कर देंगे. Now the next one is elliptic cone. So you see, elliptic cone means the cone which is generated by a generator whose guiding curve is an ellipse. So वहां यहाँ जैसे हमारे पास right circular cone में guiding curve was cylinder. In case of elliptic cone, the guiding curve is an ellipse. So here, find the equation of the elliptic cone whose vertex is origin, right, and which intersects the ellipse. So this is the ellipse. So same way, now we are given the vertex is origin. So say the equation of generator is, x minus 0, 0 is vertex. So x upon L, let me name it as LMN. So x upon L, y upon M is equal to z upon N. Now what is given to me? That the guiding curve has z is equal to c, right? So it meets z is equal to c and x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Right? So what is given to me? We are given. So what we were doing, so हमें पता है कि ये जो x हमारी जनरेटर है ये गाइडिंग कर्व को मीट करती है और गाइडिंग कर्व हमारी कौन सी है, z is equal to c and the ellipse. तो पहले हमने क्या किया, we just put z is equal to c. मोमेंट आपने z is equal to c पुट कर दिया, we get x upon L is equal to y upon M is equal to c by n. तो यहाँ से x की वैल्यू हमने निकाल ली, y की वैल्यू हमने निकाल ली. अब ये जो पॉइंट है ये एलिप्स पे लाई करेगा, so we put the point on the ellipse. So x की जगह LC by n, y की जगह MC by n. So now we get this equation. Again, if you see L by n, M by n, we have put up from our own. So from this equation, what is the value of L by n? L by n is how much? Is x by z. And M by n is how much? X by y. M by n is y by z. So M by n is y by z. So that's it. So we have these values, we'll put back and we will get the equation of the cone. Right? So this is known as elliptic cone. So elliptic cone means where you have the guiding curve as the ellipse.